Hey guys, this is Zoo Guy Troy on LTX Tech. So today I decided to start doing my converter install. It's supposed to be a pretty nice day. There's just a 30% chance of rain, and y'all can't tell it is raining a little bit. But here in Oklahoma, we have unique weather. Got raining over that direction. Over here, the beautiful sunshine coming out behind the trees, and if we even come over here to the other side of the porch, look out that way. Huh, what do you know? Clear skies. Sunshine. And rain. Oh, look at here. I don't know if y'all can see this. Probably not. But there's the tip of my finger. Following me out. There's some more. There's some more. It is hailing ever so slightly with the sun out. You see that? It's a typical Oklahoma day. Rain, hail, sunshine. I'm sure you can hear the thunder. See what I have to deal with here?